1, 2, 3, 4. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? The struggle is real.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show! We have a big wacky unicorn show for you and wait, where's Wilma? Oh, it's okay, you were just running a little late. Oh, you had to do your hair. Totally got it. Wilma's here. Let's start the show.
Hi everyone, welcome to Wacky Unicorn Wednesday. We have squishy unicorns. We have eye-popping unicorns. We have unicorn slime. We've got it all, and we've got Wilma. Let's look at this squishy unicorn cake with a golden horn. Let's see how slow rise it is. That's a slow rising cake, and it came with a unicorn coffee cup, and it's squishy too. Let's squish them together. We're not just squishing things, guys. We're popping too. Poppin' eye unicorns. How many are in here? Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 eye-poppin' unicorns in the house today. Whoa! Okay, Wilma, let's see what's inside. Hey, it's a Gudetama blind box. Ooh, seaside kitchen. Look at all the yummy food you can get. And let's see what we got. Oh, a little piece of gum. Woohoo! Ice cream cone. Let's go ahead and drop our ice cream cone in here. We have 1, 2 scoops and a little Gudetama in the middle.
Oh, it's kind of cold in here, but also kind of comfortable.
Little Gudetama on a coffee. We have unicorn ooze, glitter charmed ooze. Check it out. Here's our little unicorn. Ooh, pink and green. And let's check out the ooze. Oh, there's an ooze blocker. Whoa. First we'll get the green. Whoa, and it's attached to the pink. Ooh, and it's attached to the purple. Woo!
Oh, my head is so empty.
This is what you call an airhead. So we have these colors and you can kind of separate them out. It's like 3 different slimes. Whoa! Or you can just mix them all together. Do they mix together? They're kind of staying separate. That's so crazy. Come on, slimes, mix together and make a magical unicorn color. Ooh, ooh, so oozy. Woo! The trick is always trying to get them back in the container. Oh, that sounds nice. Oh, oh, oh. The struggle is real. Oh, the struggle is real. Get all the way in there. Come on, gotta put the lid on. Ooh, it looks even cooler now with all the colors mixed up. I think it's time for me to introduce you to someone. That's right, it's Glinda, Glitter Poop. Oh, she's not the happiest unicorn around. Oh, or maybe that's just her very toothy smile. So she is a white unicorn with a big fluffy purple mane and tail, and she is so angry. Oh. And of course, she is a feisty pet. Woohoo! It's a 3D paint and squishy kit. Look, we have this squishy in here and some markers. Look at this marker. It almost looks like slime in there. So let's put a pink foot on here. Whoa. Oh, it's like fabric paint. I see. We just put the paint all the way around. Pink one over here. Put some pink stripes in this mane. Pink stripes then through here.
Ooh, fancy.
And let's make purple feet. Purple feet. Woo! Purple, come back here. By the way, this is very squishy. Before I get paint all over it, let's see. Oh, it's a super fast rise. Boom! All right, let's do a purple stripe over here. Let's do another one down here. Ooh. Little on its tail. Of course, we need a golden horn here. And lots of yellow in this mane. And then the tail. And our last color is teal, so let's put some up here on this mane. And in here. I think the mane ended here and I just kept on going with the stripes. Get a little bit on this tail here. Give it a little eye. Boop. An eye over here. Oh, I'm getting paint all over me. Boop. And now we have our squishy, colorful unicorn. It's probably gonna need a couple hours to dry, so let's set it aside. We're gonna make some unicorn slime. Oh, look at my hands. We have a magical unicorn mug. But first, no, Glenda, it's not your turn. It's Wilma's turn. We need to see what else we have in here. Oh, what is it? A snail trail? What? Glenda loves snails. Oh, Glenda. Glenda, you need to learn how to sit up a little better. Oh, our ice cream fell down. So here's our little snail. Ooh, and here's his shell. And what is inside? Whoa, what is inside of here? Oh my, this is kind of gross. And pour out some snail sludge. Oh, that's really kind of funky slime. And then the directions say to just have your snail, whoa, create snail trails. But it just rolls the slime around.
It's the world's biggest snail trail. Oh, I'm the biggest snail trail maker around, everybody. Look at this snail trail.
So essentially it is just white slime, which is pretty cool. And you can make snail trails with it.
I'm the biggest snail trail maker around. Bloop. Bloop. Neat.
Back in the snail it goes. You too, little guy. Whoop. Little guy, get in there. Whoop. I'm excited to make some unicorn slime, but I'm also really excited to check out this mug. It makes your mornings magical, guys. First things first, guys, I dropped this from pretty high up when I was getting it out of the box, and it didn't break, so it's super sturdy. So I have some hot water, and I'm gonna pour it in here, and hopefully we'll see a color change. Now, it's not boiling hot water. Not too much change. Let's see what's going on over here. I think I'm going to need to boil some water and try this again. But first, let's make some slime. It's unicorn slimy gloop. Add sparkly gemstones. Let's do it. I measured 25 milliliters of water and put them in 4 cups. Now I'm adding sodium tetraborate to 2 of them. 1 spoonful here, 1 spoonful here, and mix, mix, mix. Mix until it's dissolved. Time for the glue. Mix this together. I'm gonna add pink dye to 1. Bloop, 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 bloop. Try not to drop this in. Mix, mix, mix. Time for purple dye. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Mix it up. Time for the gems. Half in one and half in the other. Time for our sodium tetraborate solution. Just a little bit in there. We'll mix it in. Should start forming slime very soon. Oh, it's already getting a little slimy, guys. A little more in there. Whoop. Oh yeah. We have some slime forming. Now I've used these slime packets before and this has never happened. Only the glue got real clumpy. It's usually nice and smooth, but look at this clumpy old glue. Let's try the purple one. See how that glue is just sitting down there? It's like it's not wanting to dissolve all the way. Maybe it was some old glue in here. Well, let's see what happens when we add our sodium tetraborate. Hopefully we'll have more slime over here. Come on, slime. Come on, slime. Hey, that's looking a lot better. We'll add a little more. Oh yeah, that's way better slime. So here's what we have. It kind of turned into sticky, not very awesome slime. We have our purple and our pink. Oh no, we have a slime fail.
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 These kits are usually awesome, but I think there was something wrong with this glue. It didn't combine with the water and I had the water nice and warm. I know, so frustrating. All right, time to boil water and see that unicorn change colors. We now have boiling hot water and whoa, look at that mug, Fizzy Toy Show. Parents, if your kids would like one, you can find it on fizzytoyshow.com. All right, let's pour it into our unicorn. There we go. All we needed was some really hot water or coffee or chocolate. That is super cool. So it turned into rainbow colors on this side and rainbow over here too. I'm so magical. Okay, Wilma, let's see what you have for us. What in the world? It's a dinosaur, and listen. It's full of those little beads. You know what I'm talking about if you saw last Wacky Poppin' Wednesday.
But if you didn't, let me show you what's inside.
By the way, look how stretchy. Woohoo! And we're just gonna give a little tiny snip so I can show you what that sound is, what's inside. Here we go. Whoa! See that? It looks like snow. It's little plastic beads in there. Oh, and they bounce up and stick back on them. Whoa! And now I can still play with them. Woo! Yes, so much fun. So much fun. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl?
Hey guys! Oh, nice of you to show up